Hello, and welcome to DialMyCalls. Let's take a look at how you can send out a text message broadcast. To get started, click on New Broadcast from your DialMyCalls dashboard. Once on the Set Up a Broadcast page, click on the second option available, Create Text Broadcast, and you will be automatically taken to Step 2. Enter a broadcast name that is used for your records, and then select the number to send your text from. All texts sent from DialMyCalls come from our shortcode 80123 by default. Now you will want to select a unique keyword to use for your text broadcast. Keywords are how recipients will identify it's you sending them a text. You will now want to type out the text you'd like to send and then click Next. Step 3 is where you will select all the contacts you'd like to send your text message broadcast out to. You are able to select individual contacts, contact groups you've created, or send a message to all contacts. Once you selected the contacts, click Next. DialMyCalls offers you the ability to send your recipients an email in addition to your text message at no extra cost. You can then select whether or not you want to send your text immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Click Next to proceed to the final step. Step 5 is where you will verify all the information regarding the text message broadcast you are getting ready to send out. If everything looks good, click on Send Broadcast Now. You will receive a confirmation once your text broadcast has been sent or scheduled. Finally, you are able to check the status of your text message broadcast. Click on Reports at the top of your screen, and then click on the name of the text message you just sent to see a detailed report of every number that received your text. That's it! You just sent out your first text message broadcast using DialMyCalls. Have a great day, and if you have any questions, please contact our support team at 800-928-2086, 7 days a week.